What is the last digit of the number 123 raised to 7? Now, this question gets converted to basically what is the last digit of the number 3 raised to 7? Because the most important number here is the units digit number, and in this case, it is 3. Now, we have a cycle of 4 for powers of 3. So 3 raised to 1 ends with 3, 3 square ends with 9, 3 raised to 3 ends with 7, 3 raised to 4 ends with 1. And this cycle of 3971 goes on repeating. Okay, so that's why, because it is a cycle of 4, we divide the power, that is 7 in this case, by 4, and we find out the remainder. Now, this remainder 3 helps us in finding out the last digit of the given question. Okay, now because this remainder is 3, we take this value. So remainder is 3, that's why the last digit of the given number becomes 7. If the remainder had been 2, the answer would have been 9. If the remainder had been 1, answer would have been 3. And if the remainder had been 0, the answer would have been 1. But in this case, the remainder is 3, therefore the answer is 7.